What's up?
The heck are you listening to?
Dramatic music.
Yeah, okay.
Do you hear like wind? Do you hear like wind blowing out of my mic or anything, or no?
Absolutely. Always.
Oh, okay.
Always do.
How about now?
Yes.
God damn it. Huh. I wish in Observer you actually had a choice to like turn the order down.
Like, do you want to call this?
Fuck that.
How come I'm the only one here?
No idea.
What is going on? Like, am I actually the only one alive?
No, we're maybe. You're leading the game.
Wow, you just ran right past him.
I love you too, man. Let's kiss.
Wait, hey, wait for me.
Alright, come here.
Alright, cuddle puddle.
Woo!
Cuddle puddle.
Down.
Is that you that just got hit with the flamer?
No, I blew.
It's the worst to watch your buddies burn alive.
No. Oh.
Smells great though.
It's not that bad, dude. It's fine.
You're all fucking monsters.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
You deserve everything that just happened to you.
Fucking cell phone. Okay, I need ammo, like desperately. I also need to desperately eat this taco.
Hold for Observer Smacktard. He's currently eating a taco.
Thank you for your service. What kind of taco?
What kind of taco, Evan? He's
I don't know, man. Just the plain one. Real juicy though.
You like juice?
Oh dear.
Calm down.
My bad.
It's all good.
Sorry, Dad.
I love you. I love you.
I love you too, Dad. Oh, okay. I thought that was a person. We're
Did you
clear.
shoot a
Sorry, I
lamp?
flinched. I shot a lamp because I freaked out. I know I heard something.
Just cover me! Hold on!
It exploded.
It's turned inside out, and then it exploded. Wait, are you telling me it turned inside out and then it exploded?
Hello?
Hold, please.
Like,
Man, you have
bruh.
Observer on you. Oh! Well, fuck, that sucked. I don't know how that happened. You saw that, right?
Yes, of course I saw it.
How the
Hey.
fuck did that out? Fuck.
Hey man, you got an observer. Cool, thanks. Boom!
That was fucking stupid.
That was like some shit out of fucking Saving Private Ryan.
Oh yeah, I could totally see that happening. Oh, he got in.
That's what she said.
Shut up. Commander Observer is on you.
Yeah, fuck you on the cat. Okay.
I need explosive artillery right here! This is Observer! We need you to fire explosive artillery here! Over!
What, you want us to run to Bravo right now? Leroy!
And then stare at the sky like a turkey in the rain.
Come on, man, again? Okay, the FN's really good.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, this is... If you're not panicky, it's great.
Yeah, I mean, if you shoot someone who's unarmored, you'll usually get them in one hit. So if you just go around double tapping people, you're usually fine. Oh, jeez.
My bad. Sorry.
You're good. You're good. Just don't kill me.
No! No!
I will warn you later, but I'll take your incendiary now.
Sorry, man. I destroyed this game.
Who are you talking to?
Pier? Who else?
I'm so proud of him.
Why?
Cause he got that, he graduated.
Yeah, but in biology, not aology.
Oh,
shut the fuck up, Evan.
Pure love. If he would just eat my food, he'd be the perfect son.
Tell her some things just can't happen.
Well, she already walked away.
Oh, okay. What happened? What'd he say?
I didn't hear it.
Oh, okay. I got 13,000.
I got 9. I got a
God
rock.
damn. You should be easily blown.
Using the hot one.
There we go.
Hold on, it's gotta preheat. Fuck, I'm funny.
You're stupid.
Those like, oh, poisonous gas fills the room kind of scenarios. And it's like, nah, I don't know. Ken, Martin, and I were right at the door, and I got a green light on the keypad. The door just didn't open. It's like, I feel like we would have survived.
I don't know, man. Sounds like the door didn't open.
But we got the right code. We got the keypad turned green.
Doesn't matter.
I will murder
We'll
you in
tap
your
it.
sleep. I know where you live.
Hey, by any chance is your mom home today?
No, nobody's home.
Oh, okay.
It's just
Okay.
me and my guns. In case anybody is wondering out there in the world.
In case my FBI agent is listening.
My FBI agent he's got to have a sense of humor. The kinds of shit that I see.
Probably. Or at least he's just a really chill dude.
Maybe. I hope we have a lot in common. Who the fuck is texting me?
I don't know.
It's Lewis. Why is Lewis texting me? He says he's gonna be
Uh-huh.
late, finishing up, maybe closer to 3. What a surprise! Lewis is gonna make us an hour late again.
You should text him that. Huh, I never sent him a friend request. Change nickname.
Oh god, why are you so much louder?
Oh.
Oh, you know what? I think hold on. My headset's on a different mode.
Hold up, let me...
There we go. Much better.
Peach gelatin.
Peach Gelatin. Why is his name Peach Gelatin?
Fuck if I know, but I'm changing his name to Sub
Bitch
Human
sauce.
Trash. Save. Okay, let me... I actually did that in OBS. So I want to see if it came out in recording.
Yeah. I can see it on my little preview window. It's on there.
Oh! Okay. Let me check my recording stuff.
Dude, last time he did this, there's literally like just 6 minutes of us just bitching about having to wait for him. Because I just edited. I haven't uploaded it yet. I don't think. But yeah, I just finished editing that one. Need to open
feel like-
Steam. It's been a minute.
It's been a cool minute.
I've been playing Crysis. I've played 2 Crysis games since we last played.
Oh wow, what the fuck?
Someone's
Where are
hitting you
coming
with a
from?
pistol or something?
Yeah, like... Oh, come on!
Uh-oh!
I'm out, baby!
SpaghettiOs!
Oh, okay, I'm gonna fuck around right now. Let's do this.
Put all your points into your main, dude.
Oh, where'd they go?
He's gone.
Fucking AI.
Shells.
Oh fuck, I got killed.
Awesome.
What was it? The jump?
I was trying to get on top of this thing. Gonna need you to not criticize me. Thank you.
Do it anyway.
He just keeps walking past the doorway.
No one said the AI was. Hey, there's a helicopter on top, so I recommend not going outside.
I don't plan on it. Did you die already?
Literally threw through a small sliver through the wall.
Ah! Ah!
Yep.
Oh, what the fuck? Thanks for the backup, Critical Bill.
I wish you could get different types of ammunition other than tracer.
That shit would definitely violate the Geneva Convention.
Where are you, man?
I'm like way forward. I just took out 4 dudes.
I need an observer.
Make it 5.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Fucking,
Right, fuck, observers are down.
I expend all my effort to try and get to you, and then you don't call anything in.
Well, dude, like I'm not gonna call a bombing run on my own dudes.
Why not? It's never
Because
stopped
I'm not
anyone else
sure.
before.
Yeah, that is true.
Might get lucky. Keep shooting.
We got a couple more. Oh crap!
Why you gotta die?
Because there's nobody. Where are you?
I was right where you died. This is your dead, useless body.
Hold up, I need to see. Oh, there you are. Because apparently, ammunition is limited. Who knew, right?
Who knew?
Yeah, who fucking knew? Oh, if you get that shot.
Bam!
Ah, nice. Do it.
Bam! Do you see
Stay down,
that?
motherfucker.
See that head
Stay
explode?
down, motherfucker. Because, you know. Best cow.
Best cow. Okay.
Once you spawn in, you'll know.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I know this one. Yeah, this one kind of blows.
Okay.
We're here for your daughter, Chuck.
Yeah.
Ouch, ouch.
Yo, hey, I'm loading up.
Oh, I was totally about to toss one on him. Dude, there's a guy in here with the name Baby Fetus Gobbler.
Oh, yeah, and he's our commander.
Commander, I love your name.
Yes, come on. Roger that.
Probably.
Whoop! Don't want to get shot. Who was that?
I don't know, I didn't see it.
Smoke break?
No, it must be Lone Star.
Down on the ground. Do it.
That's Smoke Creek.
Commander, do you require fetuses?
Let's gobble.
Affirmative.
Ah, fuck, I'm being overrun.
That's because you're supposed to put rounds into the bad guy, not the pillar.
I got him, though. 10 seconds, motherfucker!
Uh-oh.
Oh, no!
Oh, jeez.
Giblets! That's all I saw.
It was down to you and Fetus Gobbler.
Fool, that fool runs around like crazy.
Ain't you, bitch? Speak English, motherfucker.
Not sure if actually racist or playing a role.
Not sure if racist or RP. Treponema pallidum. It's a type of bacteria, and I just want to tell him like, hey, like, dude, if I put hand sanitizer on you, will you die?
I mean, you put enough hand sanitizer on anything, it will die.
We want to get technical.
Well, yeah. Technically correct. The best kind of correct.
I love how you're trying to keep with Fetus Gobbler, and it's so difficult.
I'm trying. He runs everywhere.
Oh shit!
Station, this is Observer. We want to have Warlock strafe right here. Can he do it?
You can tell exactly how entertained we are by these guys by how much we're laughing.
Yep. Oh, that was a good strafing run.
Hey, Peter Parker. Got something for me?
Hold on, I'm trying to stick with the baby fetus gobbler.
Yeah. Is Dick Wizard dead?
No. Dick Wizard is still alive.
Nice. Yeah.
Well, Peach, I don't know. This was a. Oh crap! I see this on my end too. Actually, that is so weird. I don't know. This was originally just like a burner Discord that I just like used, and I think I just thought of something randomly. I just put two words together.
Peach gelatin.
Peach
Yeah,
gelatin.
Yeah.
That's
Alright,
what you
whatever.
came up with.
Yeah. I don't think there is a peach gelatin. That's probably why I thought of that.
I'm pretty sure Jello makes peach gelatin.
You think?
I do think.
Let me Google that. Oh yeah, they do actually. Tomorrow. Evan's gone.
No.
So
I'm
after
here.
living
Oh,
on this
here's
earth
that.
for almost 25 years, I've come to the conclusion of one thing. Women under the age of 40 named Linda do not exist. Lindas are not born. No, they are rather summoned into this world with black magic when other moms gather for wine and
Alright,
book
I'll take
club.
that.
And then they say, behold, her name shall be Linda. So after living on this earth for almost
Quit crushing.
I can't help it.
I love her.
Don't stop me now.
Don't stop me now.
I think that's my favorite Queen song, honestly.
Because I'm having a good time.
Having a good time.
Shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity.
Yavin, you there?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Oh, fuck that.
I mean, I just don't have shit to say. Like, I don't know what you want from me.
Tell me that you love me.
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, no.
What happened?
There's only two of us left.
1 minute.
We're gonna head back. I'm coming back in.
Okay.
Friend might shoot him. In front door. Oh, great. Are you struggling with the door, buddy?
Shut up.
They don't teach you that in basic.
They do not, actually.
Hey, so for this one, we're gonna do an Overwatch position. I need you to be on me for this one.
God, I'm inside a dude's head. Man, that shit is horrifying.
Alright, you know what? I will be back in about 15 minutes. I gotta go take a shit. Interesting.
I'll burn it!
Come behind us. Oh god.
To die.
Yeah, I got
Damn.
shot in the face. Don't give me that.
I'll give you whatever I want.
Fuck you, man.
Heavy size all around.
I don't need that. I don't need that come from you.
Not from you. Not from you.
Anyone but you.
Clear. Oh,
Oh,
I
that was
heard that. Ow!
Sorry.
Why you like this? Man, you're the jumpy one this time.
Yeah, you heard me squeal too. I was just like, ah! This is gonna be fucking cash.
Pistols are giggly, just because, man, it's so stupid. In my opinion, if I'm running pistols only and I'm doing better than you, you should feel bad about yourself.
Seriously, you should.
Oh, shit! I shot you and then I got shot, so.
It's fine. Are you dead?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Oh, we got it though, so it doesn't matter.
Yep.
You saw that shit though, right?
I didn't, but my recording did.
Alright, uno mas and then I'm done.
That's what you said last time.
Shut up. Oh my god, that was so bad of me.
Yeah, it was. Like, damn, son.
That dude was invisible.
That was an invisible guy, right?
Yeah, his vest
Fuck.
was showing.